earliest gland appeared in the human embryo is answer A. Pituitary gland. Proteins are detected by answer D. Burette test. Normal human blood is answer B. Alkaline. Amount of blood pumped by an adult heart per hour is about answer A. 300 liter. Which of the following becomes zero in a fully turgid cell? Answer C. Water potential. Which one is not a protozoan? Answer C. Hydra. Birds differ from the bat in the absence of answer B. Diaphragm. A mammal that lays eggs. Answer D. Echidna. Dormancy of seeds is promoted by answer A. ABA. In respiration, cytosols plays a significant role in answer B. Glycolysis. Pasteurization is related to answer A. Sterilization of milk. Dengue is caused by flavivirus. What is the vector of dengue fever? Answer A. Aedes mosquito. The intermediate host of Leishmania donovani is answer C. Sandfly. Which one of the following is a polymorphic species? Answer B. Ant. The metallic components of chlorophyll. Answer B. Mg. Which one of the following plants tissues is composed of dead cells? Answer C. Xylem. A rhizome is a modified stem because answer D. It has nodes and it has eyes which bear germinating buds. What is the full form of NGT? Answer A. National Green Tribunal. What is viticulture? Answer B. Production of grapes. The theory of natural selection was proposed by answer B. C.R. Darwin. A plant cell shrink when placed in answer A. Hypertonic solution. A person of which blood group can be a universal donor? Answer A. O. The greenhouse effect is caused by the addition of too much of this compound in the atmosphere. Answer C. Carbon dioxide. Majority of animal virus contain answer C. DNA. Which one of the following is a reptile? Answer D. Turtle. During cell division, DNA synthesis take place in answer C. Interphase. The number of cervical vertebrae in a mammal is answer C. 7. The total mass of all the organisms of given type and all in a given areas is called answer D. Biomass. The simple microscope was first invented by answer D. Leeuwenhoek. The smallest size of a cell which can be seen with the unaided eye is answer A. 100 microns. Oil is obtained from the endosperm of answer D. Coconut. Which one of the following is not an endocrine gland? Answer A. Salivary gland. In angiosperm, triple fusion is required for the formation of answer D. Endosperm. Name one rootless plant. Answer B. Pistia. Xylem tissue mainly concerned with the answer D. Transport of water and mineral nutrition in plant. Where is the image of an object formed in human eye? Answer D. Retina. Halophyte grow well in answer D. Saline soils. The kidney in human beings are a part of system for answer C. Excretion. Iodine is administered to patients suffering from answer C. Goiter. Spraying of DDT in crop plants produces pollution of answer A. Air, soil and water only. The WISC-R test is answer D. An individual test for children. Trophic level 1 includes answer D. Green plants. Who discovered that life is in plants and trees? Answer B. J.C. Bose. Loop of Henle lies in the answer D. Medulla. The plant body is not differentiated into root, stem and leaves in answer B. Algae. Man body is absent in somatic cell of answer A. Turner syndrome individuals. A connecting link between reptile and birds is answer C. Archaeopteryx.